Hi guys, it's March here once again, and I am going to attempt to make a floating shelves for my picture frames. So these are my materials. I don't know if you can hear me very well. I went to Lowe's, and instead of cutting all the woods that I needed, they already have this pre-size wood that less expensive. They're not that expensive, guys. So, but I'll list down the price of all this wood. Gonna give you a the size. So this one is a 1x3x4. So I bought 3 of those, and then this smaller size, it's at 1x2x4. So 1x2 by 4. So bought some paint. I'm going to spray paint them. I will connect them together with the wood glue. I know this is kind of chaotic, but this is what I bought for my screw to connect them together. So anyway, these are all my materials. I will definitely, write it all down to make sure I have a better video or quality video than this. But let's see. Oops. Put my gloves on. Wonder if you could see me. My dog's crazy. Check him out. It's cute. What are you doing, boy? We glued them together using a wood glue. So then you set it aside, let it dry for a second, and then we will screw it together so it will be sturdy. This, we'll screw it, and we'll put it together with a 8x2.5 inches screw down here. I think it's too long. Gosh, I don't know. This is too long, I guess. We'll find out. I think it's too long, guys. See if we have some. That is, I think, the right right size. It's the 3/16 by 1 3/4. So,
This is too fat.
I don't think it's right. It's not good. You need to get rid of that. Now we've connected this two wood together. So now we're gonna spray paint it. So again, I'm not a professional. I am just trying hard to make a floating shelves for my frame. So pardon my mess. I'm just gonna choose a place where I can just spray paint this real quick. Then I this dress, whatever you call it, this dress painted with the Olympic color, not sure what, semi-gloss enamel, I don't know what colors this. So after paint or spray painting it white, then I distress color it with this color so you can see it. Distress color right now, you'll see it. And then I will put an L bracket on it, just like so. Actually, I already did, and I want it to be flash on the wall, so I did it that way. I don't like it to be underneath as everybody's doing underneath, so this is just a different style. Style. I wanted to make sure the measurements even. I don't want to look like. Let me get the other one. Okay. It's pretty cool. I'm going to make sure all the brackets are in line. Now it's all bracketed, swipe it again one last time. Okay. Looks good. Now we'll put it on the wall. Okay guys, I'm gonna replace picture frames with my newly built floating shelves. Well, it looks like a floating shelves, but really it's not. So I bought this at Lowe's, and I spray paint it with white, and I have leftover gray paint. So, and then I bought some brackets, L brackets. I know this video is probably just, ay, bahala na lang, napagod na ako eh, kagagawa nito. So, anyway, bumili ako ng wood sa Lowe's, and I went to the lumber aisle and bought a 1x3x4 and 1x2x4. So, titignan natin kung maganda siya. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. Teka lang. Repeat. So I went to Lowe's today and I bought a 1x3x4 wood and 1x2x4 wood. Bought some L bracket shape, L bracket shape. And then i-replace ko siya dito, okay? Lalagay ko yung yan. Nakakapagod guys. Oh my gosh. I wanted to show you myself, pero grabe na napagod akong magkumpunin yan, ha? So, I just did it myself. Say mo. Nilagyan ko siya ng ganyang L brackets kasi mas gusto ko yung rustic look. So, we will see. Alright. Hindi ko na yung mga frames. Kasi nga, hindi na ganito yung lalagay ko eh. Ay, patay. Tanggalin ko na nga muna. Ito, I use this tape for the wall. So, hook. Ano pala? Palang i-video to. And then, meron akong screw. I have to remove those. Okay, guys. Ako lang mag-isa. So, I think I'm gonna position this here. I think. Tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Gitna muna natin. See. Gitna na ba yan? Hirap pala mag-decide. Ano ba? So, I think I'll put that over here, guys. So, ganyan. Ganyan siya. Pala. Okay. That's one. It's not gonna come off. I need help. Help. Okay. I did it. Woo! One more. Pwede na yan. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, good. Tingnan natin siya sa camera. Man, hirap maging construction worker, guys. Ayos. Okay. Saan natin lalagay itong isa naman? Kailangan pantay siya. Kailangan hindi kayo masyado mababa. Okay, like so. Bigyan natin ng line. Hindi. Woo! Oh my gosh. Ang hirap naman gumawa talaga nito. Woo! Yan na. Gawin natin to. So, patay. Kukunin ko yung isa palang tornilyo. Ay, okay lang. Ayan yung line. So, make sure it's about that distance. Okay, that's good. Now let's go the other side. All right. Pantay ba? Pantay. Pantay. Yes! Okay, lagyan natin ng mati at itong isang to para hindi siya mukhang pinutas. That's good. Ta na hindi siya pinutas. Good. Yan. So, ngayon, nilinisin na lang natin and then mamaya display na natin mga camera, mga frames. So, bakita ko na lang yung finished product sa inyo, okay? Ay, nakakapagod, guys. Nalagyan na lang natin yung sa taas. Mamaya.